Hi guys, today I am making Popper Fidget Soaps. These will be scented with baby powder fragrance oil. Safety first, gotta put my goggles on. Here I'm mixing the lye water with the oils. I use coconut, olive, and castor oil. And then I just stick blend that until it reaches about a medium trace. Then I add in the fragrance oil. And then I break it down into smaller portions where I'm going to color it purple and kind of like a bluish teal color. And then I'm just going to layer it with the three colors. I like these two colors because I kind of feel like they're gender neutral. And because purple is my favorite color, so I use purple in a lot of soap. Just a fun fact, the apron I'm wearing I actually made, and I do sell Dolly and Me apron sets on my website. And sometimes like around Christmas I'll even sell adult aprons. So if you're looking for one, they're only $20. Then I just give it a little swirl. You're not really going to see the swirl anyway because I'm going to put the toppers on. And then I just put these in before it reaches too thick of a, I guess, trace or setup. I don't know what you call it at this point. I will have Popper soap available on my website starting on June 30th. So check my website out for those. Thanks for watching.